Hi everyone and welcome to Bumby. Today is day 5 of the Flylady cleaning and decluttering challenge. Guys, I am so tired. I got a lot of orders done. I just walked to the post office and got all the stuff shipped. And if it wasn't for this commitment that I have to do this every day, I'd actually be plopped on the couch right now. Okay, so what am I doing today? First of all, tomorrow is trash day. Every single week, clean out my refrigerator because we have an elderly lady that lives across the way here. And I think she goes like to one of those food pantries and she gives my dad a lot of food and bread and vegetables like twice a week. And we tell her, no thank you, we don't eat that, no thank you. But we still get the stuff. So my dad comes in here and puts it in the fridge. And you know, a lot of the stuff is expired. So I just wait for the day before trash day. And then I'll go ahead and, you know, empty it out and throw it out. I don't want you to think that all this food that you're going to see me throw away is stuff that I buy and I don't use. It's just the lady doesn't understand and she just won't take no for an answer. Okay? Also, bear with me because I have lost my glasses. I cannot find them since last night. So, hello, Daddy's glasses. Yeah, I'm using my dad's. Okay, so let's get started with this refrigerator. Okay, so I'm going to go in the fridge and I'm going to bring out what I know that is no good. She gave us this chicken noodle soup. I'm not even sure when it was expired. Or if it's expired. I don't even see a date on here. But what a shame. We're not going to eat it. All done. That only took me 3 minutes to do because I do this on a weekly basis. Oh, I'm out of breath. Okay, so I took all that trash to the large bin outside. And I just did the cat box as well. I didn't think you wanted to see that. The cabinet that we worked yesterday, I want to do the top shelf. Because there are a lot of things in there that I'm not going to be keeping, so let's work on that next. Okay, I know I'm keeping this because this is part of my Christmas china. I'm going to keep those Christmas bowls because those are also part of my Christmas china. So this completely I'm going to take down because I'm not keeping that. This I gave to a friend that I need to ship to her. So that could go as well. And that's a Valentine's little kind of vase with the little lid and it's so cute. I think I'm going to keep that. And I have these. I think I'm going to get rid of these. Yeah. Okay, so to make this easier, I'm just going to take down what I don't want and see exactly what's here. Okay, so these are all the glasses that I pulled out. I'm not going to keep them all. I know they came part of the set that I inherited from my friend who passed away. I inherit the china cabinet that was her great aunt's from the 1930s, and then I inherit everything inside the china cabinet, which was full of all the Christmas dishes. So I'm going to keep these glasses because I do have the set of 8. And yeah, I think I'm just going to get rid of everything else. Wow, proud of me. And then I'm just going to keep the glass fruit bowls that I have back there that I stacked one on top of the other. Okay. Okay, so the shelf over the stove, let me see, let me get on the ladder. As you can see, is all my Christmas dishes. So I went ahead and I removed the candle holders and the salt and pepper shaker because I have an idea where I can store these. And then the sugar and creamer, I think can fit here. For now. Yeah, so that'll work. Okay. Look, guys, it's completely empty. Doesn't that look nice? So, there are the glasses that I'm going to keep. And the little vase or little pot with the little lid for Valentine's. I'm going to keep that because I think that's adorable. And I got it like for $1 at a thrift store. And then there I put the glasses. So yeah. So everything else here, all of this, and this is leaving me. Feels good. Okay, here we're back to the china cabinet. I know I'm in zone 1, but I just need to organize as I go along because to tell you the truth, I have a very big lack of organization and I know I have a lot of space in this house and I need to use it smartly. So, we emptied out the linen that was in this drawer because this drawer is, look, it's not that wide at all. So I was thinking of putting everything that's candles and maybe candle holders in here. And anything that is napkin rings. Let me get from the garage some dividers. And let's see if that works out in this drawer. Okay, so this is what I found in the garage. I know I actually have some nicer ones. But oh my god, that garage is such a mess. I mean, you've got to like... You'll see it. I'm not even going to go there. You'll see it. Okay, so these look like they fit okay. Okay, so that's good. Yeah, those will work too. Okay, so I pulled everything that's candles from my butler's pantry, and I thought I'd put everything that's candles in here. Let me see if I can find one more Tupperware for here. Oh, look, great. I found 2 more of these. I'm going to put the salt and pepper shakers, the Christmas ones. And then I'm going to put my Christmas candle holders in here as well. Okay, not perfect, but I know where things are. I can come look for these things. And then as I clean out the garage, the things that I want to keep, I have a place for them. Perfect. See that? That worked. Oh wow, this is getting exciting. I really like the way that drawer turned out, and I know I can still organize some more stuff in there, and a place for everything. That's what I'm trying to accomplish. Decluttering, cleaning those places where I never clean, and also organizing at the same time. So I'm really happy with my progress so far. I have a lot of stuff that I'm going to be packing, but I'm going to do that tomorrow because I'm really, really tired. I still have to clean the stove and put the leftovers of dinner away. This is called carne con papa. It's like beef stew with potatoes, but of course with all the Cuban spices. It's really easy to make. So I made that for dinner, and then we have leftover, which is nice because then I can make burritos. I'm going to put that away. And then I made plantains. These are the sweet ones. And then white rice and salad. Okay, so I'm going to put this stuff away. I'm going to clean the pots. Give my stove a wipe down because I don't like to leave the stove dirty. I wipe down my stove every single night. going to say, guys, I will not be doing a video tomorrow. Tomorrow is my birthday, and I have the whole day. I have luncheons, movies, dinners. So I'm going to be really, really busy, and I want to enjoy the day with friends and family. Okay, guys? Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you this weekend with more Flylady Cleaning and Decluttering Challenge. Don't forget, check out the playlist, a link below, and my great challenge, Sofia, who started this whole organizing, cleaning, decluttering thing. Okay? Thanks. Bye-bye.